Hi, I'm Peter Stones from ESAB, and today I'm in Sheffield, the home of stainless steel, at Davis Steels. I'm with Raz, the technical sales assistant for Davis Steels. So can you tell us a little bit about Davis Steels, Raz?
Hi Peter. Well, Davis Steels has been around for over 30 years now, and traditionally we fabricate brackets and sections for structural steelwork.
And what made you get into using duplex grades?
Well, normally we'd use carbon steel or 316 or 304 stainless to make our structural work, but one of our suppliers recently offered us a lean duplex rather than 316 stainless because one, it was cheaper, and two, we found out that lean duplex was a lot stronger than 316 material.
And what are the benefits of using it from your point of view?
Well, by using lean duplex, which was stronger, that meant we needed less of it compared to using 316 material, which generated around 20% saving in weight and estimated 15% saving in overall cost for the client.
Fantastic. And did you find any other benefits with using duplex grades?
Well, by moving to duplex, we were able to reduce our carbon footprint here at Davis Steels.
Great stuff, thank you. I'm here with Darren, the welding coordinator of Davis Steels. So Darren, we've heard from Raz about the reason why Davis Steels got into fabricating with duplex, which was not a traditional material for you. But can I ask specifically why you chose Exaton 22.8.3.LSi as the filler metal?
Well, this is due to the added silicon, which in practice gives you a more stable arc and a more fluid weld pool, which will make the day of the weld a little bit easier.
So, as well as a happy welder, what other benefits were there for Davis Steels?
A lot more benefits, with the project lasting around 12 months and well over 2,500 welding hours. We knew that we had to increase productivity. We found with the Exaton 22.8.3.LSi, we found that the welders have more productive day, as easier to weld with, due to the better weldability and mainly because of the weld pool having better fluidity and a good stable arc.
So, you've got happy welders, you've increased productivity. What about quality?
Again, massive improvements. We also found that the pass rate on NDT, which was much higher than the norm, again, this helped with productivity as there is less rework time. The welding team can carry on laying the welds. This helps Davis Steels keep on track with the project and hitting the deadline set.
Excellent. So, for all future work in duplex grades, you'll use Exaton 22.8.3.LSi?
Certainly.
Fantastic. Thank you very much.